I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an automation that happens when you connect a charger to your iPhone. So first, we're going to go to our Shortcuts app. You'll typically be in the Shortcuts toggle right here on the left, but you're going to click Automation right there in the middle. If you don't have an automation, you will see a New Automation button in the middle, but you can also click the plus button on the top right. Now, these are the triggers for the automation. So what we're going to want to do is go to the top here and select Search and type in charger, and now it shows when my phone is connected to power. You can also put a disconnected one. The options here after this are run after confirmation or run immediately. This means that it will either run after you select yes or no when you take it off the charger, or just right when you take it off the charger without asking you permission to run. I like run immediately. It can also give you a notification once it's been run, but it's not necessary in my opinion. You can have it be once it's connected and disconnected. It will do both. I will just leave it as connected and then we'll click next. Now here you select what it is actually going to do. So for example, I'm going to just click speak text, and if I'm connecting my phone to a charger, typically I'm going to bed, so I'm just going to have it say good night. Select done, and now I'll grab my charger, and you'll see I turn up the audio here.
Good night.
You heard it say it was a little choppy because I'm recording on the screen recording here, but right when you plug in your charger, it is going to do exactly what you ask it to do. Now you're all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.